For years, I felt that rune work has a positive impact on my life. Not as belief, not as an idea, as something lived, something embodied. But today, something unexpected happened. For the first time, I didn't just feel it, I could see it as evidence, hard fact. Since 2017, I've been tracking my mood every single day. Not spiritually, not symbolically, but honestly. I use a simple app called Dailyo. I log what I do and how I feel. No agenda, no attempt to prove anything. And over time, interesting patterns emerge. This year, one pattern stopped me in my tracks. Entries that include rune work show a 10% upliftment in mood. 10%! Who of you can't do with 10% upliftment in your overall mood? That's not poetry. That's actual data. But what really fascinated me was how the pattern unfolds. On the day before rune work, my mood tends to be lower, about 3% lower, which tells me something important. I don't turn to the runes because I'm already feeling great. I turn to the runes when something inside is starting to drift. Then comes the day of practice. On the same day, my mood rises by 6%. 6% immediately. No delays. No future promises. Immediate gratification. And even more quietly, 1% of that upliftment carries through into the next day. This matters because it tells a story. Rune work doesn't write momentum. Rune work creates momentum. It interrupts a downward current and restores coherence. It also reveals something honest. The energy doesn't magically last forever. Only a little carries forward, which means the real power isn't intensity, it's return, consistency. 1% again and again every day begins to snowball, and it's a major upliftment of your mood that's sustainable. And here's what really amazes me. There's no side effects, no dependency, no stimulation, just quiet practices that supports the body, steadies the emotions, and clarify the mind. I can't offer statistics for anyone else, but I can offer a carefully lived record. Years of practice, years of observation, and now that turned into evidence. The runes aren't reserved for a few. They aren't locked behind institutions. They're a human technology, ancient, simply, and freely available. And sometimes the most convincing invitation isn't a promise. It's a quiet trail of evidence, left behind by a life lived in relationship with meaning.